Ever wanted to save an image from a PowerPoint presentation? Well, PowerPoint offers two different methods to extract those images. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we are going to talk about how to save an image from a PowerPoint presentation. To download a single image from a PowerPoint presentation, just right-click on the image and then in the drop-down menu, click on the Save as Picture option. Now you can change the file name and the type of this file. We will choose the JPEG format for this file, and just you can also select a new location for this file. We will choose the download and then click on the save button. As you can see, the image has been saved. Now to download all the images from a PowerPoint presentation, just make sure to make a copy of this presentation so that you don't lose the original PowerPoint presentation. Just simply press the Ctrl C and then press the Ctrl V to paste it. It will make a copy of this presentation. Now you have to change the extension of this presentation to convert it in a zip file. Right click on it, rename it, and just change the extension to zip. Press the enter. It will give you a warning that whether you want to change it or not. Just click on the yes button, and the file has been converted to zip. Now open the zip folder, and here you will find various folders. Click on the PPT, and in the media folder you will find all the images from this PowerPoint presentation. And that's how you just download a single image and multiple images from a PowerPoint presentation. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.